Okay, so let's get into this situation response model. Situation मतलब परिस्थिति, response मतलब प्रतिक्रिया. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
there are two ways of handling any problem. How many ways?
Two ways.
There are two ways of handling any problem. Let us take this is the problem. This is the paristhiti. This can be a life situation or this can be a TAT ka picture. So any paristhiti, it demands a response. क्या बोला?
It's demand a response.
Any
Demand
situation
response.
demands a response.
Every situation.
जब भी जीवन में कोई भी परिस्थिति आता है, it demands a प्रतिक्रिया
response.
from us. परिस्थिति हमसे क्या डिमांड करता है? प्रतिक्रिया. अब हम प्रतिक्रिया करते हैं नहीं करते वो अलग बात है, और प्रतिक्रिया किस तरह की करते वो भी अलग बात है. तो ये परिस्थिति आपके 5 सेंस ऑर्गन से, सेंस ऑर्गन मतलब क्या है? योर आईज, योर ईयर्स, योर नोज, योर टंग एंड योर स्किन, इससे क्या जाएगा? अंदर जाएगा. So these 5 sense in perception जो है, they act as input devices, and this connects you to the world. This connects your world outside to the world
Right.
inside. So for example, अगर ये picture में ये दिया, now this picture can be a life situation or this can be a TAT. And can you see there is a problem here?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
इस प्रॉब्लम को पहला स्टेप है टू ऑब्जर्व द प्रॉब्लम, एंड सेकंड इज टू परसीव द प्रॉब्लम. टू परसीव, सो ऑब्जर्वेशन इज हैपनिंग आउटसाइड if the problem is outside, and perception is getting built inside. कितना समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
तो इस पिक्चर से क्या मीनिंग बनाओगे वो आंखें नहीं करेगा. Your eyes will not do it. Who will do it? Your mind will do it. So this is the external input. In your mind there will be another internal input which will come from your own personality trait which are in your subconscious dimension में जो भी है, value system, belief system. So there are two inputs. One is the external, second is the internal. This is common to all of you in case of psychological test. This is common. Why it is common? Because this TAT picture is
Same for all.
common. What is not common is this input. Your value system, your belief system, your attitude, your needs, your motive, your past experience, and even your guidance, coaching. जो कोचिंग वाले हैं वो भी बहुत डोमिनेंट इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. डेड बॉडी का ड्रामा, हाइड कोर क्वालिटी, ये सब क्या कहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है? तुमने स्टोर करके रखा हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है डेड बॉडी है, यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? डेड बॉडी है, लेकिन यहाँ से क्या डाल रहे हो? अरे रेकमेंड होना तो डेड बॉडी का ड्रामा बना दो. इसका मतलब है योर थॉट्स गेट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय रॉन्ग कोचिंग एज वेल एज राइट कोचिंग. So there are two inputs. One is the external input, second is the
Internal input.
the internal input. What is coming should be in your control because that's your thought. So निर्भया का बस में आना is an external situation, but आपके मन में रेप करने की जो सोच आया वो आपका internal input है. कितना समझ में आया क्या बोला? So
Yes, sir.
in your, अभी जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ध्यान से सुनना. In your TAT responses, you are in the process of building the story. You are the one who is creating the internal as well as external response for the hero. For example, manager के लिए external situation क्या था? A girl coming and telling कि sir my father is not well. What was the internal input? चलो मैं इसके पीछे चलता हूँ. So girl coming and telling that you have a problem in home is not the problem, but the manager breaking the structure of the organization, going behind that female to her house, then taking his father ambulance में जबकि कोई heart attack नहीं हुआ था, and then going and paying money, sleeping in the hospital, not coming to the office and thinking ये OLQ है. So where is the problem? External input या internal में?
Internal.
Problem है. आपका करंट अफेयर्स वीक है इज एन सिचुएशन, बट नॉट विलिंग टू प्रिपेयर इज एन इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम. निर्भया का रेप इसलिए नहीं हुआ कि निर्भया बस में आई. निर्भया का रेप इसलिए हुआ द इंटरनल इनपुट केम आउट ऑफ लस्ट. किसको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये दोनों मिलके क्रिएट हो रहा तुम्हारा फर्स्ट एलिमेंट थॉट. And this thought, agar if it is negative, you will have a negative feeling and negative emotion. And that is reflected in the nature of attitude that you have towards life and towards others. And that is coming in your action. And this action is coming out in the form of a decision. So the manager decided to leave the office and go behind the female. That is a decision. And that decision came in the form of a behavior of the manager. So manager's behavior is a function of manager's personality interacting with the given environment.
Yes, sir.
But the manager itself is a creation of the candidate. Manager तो पेपर में था. Manager तो अरे बोलो यार, मैनेजर तो कागज का हीरो था ना. उस मैनेजर को बनाया किसने? तुम्हारी सोच ने. यानी तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी मैनेजर की पर्सनालिटी. यानी तुम ठीक सोचोगे तो मैनेजर सही कर लेता. किसको समझ में आया क्या बोला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखो, वो तो टीएटी में तो कागज का हीरो कर रहा था, बट कागज का हीरो को करवा कौन रहा था?
It's our sir.
योर सोच. तो फॉल्ट कहाँ पे था? मैनेजर के एक्शन में या तुम्हारी सोच में?
हमारा सोच में.
आप उसको ठीक कर लो अपनी सोच को. किसने बोला मैनेजर को ओएलक्यू दिखाने के लिए? मैनेजर शुड हैव बिहेव लाइक ए मैनेजर. हेल्प करने का मतलब ये तो ना कि मैनेजर अपना टेलीकॉम कंपनी छोड़ के हॉस्पिटल में जाके सो जाए अपनी बीवी बच्चों को छोड़ के. So your decision influences your behavior. Now your behavior can be positively influenced or negatively influenced. And whatever be your behavior, this will get added to the original situation. This will get added to the original situation. तो अगर आपका behavior सही है, socially responsive है, acceptable है, तो वो जाके add हो जाएगा. And then this loop starts working. कितना समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
अब आप किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को दो टाइप से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. एक है समस्या स्वरूप. इसका मतलब कि प्रॉब्लम जो है उसको आप ऐसे सॉल्व करते हो कि ये प्रॉब्लम ठीक होने की जगह और ज्यादा बिगड़ जाती है. बोलते हैं राई का पहाड़. तो उसमें क्या होता है? सिचुएशन वही होता है लेकिन आपकी सोच उल्टी होती है. जैसे
Sir, can you say in English, please?
Okay, I said कि there are two ways you can handle the problem. One is reactive focus, second is proactive focus. Today morning we saw what is reactive focus and what is proactive. In reactive focus, the situation remains same, but you focus on elements that are not in your control. You focus on circle of concern and you create a negative loop of thinking. This goes and influences your behavior in a negative manner, the way your manager behaved in the response yesterday. And this will get added to the situation. Will the situation get resolved or it will become more complex?
More complex.
More complex. This kind of a loop is a negative loop and neither acceptable in life nor acceptable in SSB. So yesterday's story was created by this inner process. कितना समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anup, can you explain me इस slide से क्या समझ में आया? कल जो तुम्हारी story थी, it came like this. Can you explain, Anup, क्या समझ में आया?
सर मेरा एक्शन गलत इसलिए निकला क्योंकि
तुम्हारा आवाज क्लियर नहीं हो रहा.
वो
And the
जो
worst thing is,
निकला
and the worst thing is the creator of the story response does not know what is he creating. That means you are not aware what is happening within you. What is
सर और जो मैं सॉल्यूशन निकाला वो सॉल्यूशन और ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा था.
yeah.
उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व होते होते दूसरा एक प्रॉब्लम निकल गया.
And the worst thing is you're not even aware. That means your awareness, self-awareness is low. The worst thing, आपने जो SD में लिखा वो इतने भयंकर क्वालिटी स्ट्रेंथ लिख दिए पता नहीं कहां से लाके, and they were not matching with the kind of decision that you're taking. So there was a mismatch between what you wanted to show yourself in the SD and what you actually performed when it came to TAT. And the thing is, TAT is done first and SD is given last. So poor insight. Matlab candidate has very low understanding of the inner self. खुद के बारे में नहीं जानता. So your strengths and weaknesses are all masked. कितना समझ में आ रहा है? Manikandan, can you explain what have you understood from this slide?
So this slide actually main thing is that if our thought is not good, so it might create it will create another problem.
Yeah.
So every situation demands a response. So
Correct.
The response is actually it comes from the thought what we
Correct.
what we input.
Correct.
So if the thought is right, then the problems will be solved. If the thought is wrong, it will create another problem.
बिल्कुल आपको मतलब you have to be very careful, especially for the preparation of SSB. Your influence of coaching is so much on you. आपको यहाँ पे पता चल रहा है this is a dead body. You know it's a dead body, but you perceive it correctly. But when this information goes inside, some coaching has told make it dead body ka drama, and you do it. That means you don't trust your own perception. So somebody who does not trust his own beliefs and perception and gets influenced, what kind of a leader he'll become? You know you have a weakness in core quality and somebody told hide core quality and you are accepting it. That means what a fool you are being made by us. किसी ने आपको बोल दिया फट्टा उठा के भागोगे तुम लीडर बन जाओगे and you're doing it. Can you know the negative influence of coaching on you? Why your reasoning is not working? Why your reasoning is part of your intellect. So we will see in the next session module में how to activate your intellect. Today you are preparing for your SSB by killing your reasoning. इसको हमको क्या करना है? Improve करना. So ये जो तैयारी है, ये जो तुम्हारा लाइफ का तैयारी है, SSB की तैयारी है, instead of solving and making your preparation easy, it is only making it more complex. So the more you look for shortcut, actually shortcuts are not easy, they are hard. I don't know how many for understanding. Vivek, कुछ पल्ले पड़ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
क्या पल्ले पड़ रहा है?
So sometimes the shortcut which we took, it may become more.
Why are you taking shortcut when the SD you have written I am hardworking? When you have written I am hardworking in the SD, why in actual you are looking for shortcut? क्यों इतना difference आ रहा है?
So because in presently the people are more oriented towards the results than.
No यार people छोड़ो यार, तुम अपनी बात बताओ. Why are you taking? Don't worry about people. देखो यार तुम्हारा selection तुम्हारे preparation पे. So people what they do is people are बेवकूफ. That's why only 3.6% are getting recommended. Why are you not taking this approach? 3.6. Why are you talking about people? You talk about yourself.
Sir.
People are taking for shortcut, looking for shortcut. But why are you doing it? People are accepting dead body ka drama. Why are you accepting? People are thinking by improving TAT, they will improve their personality. But why are you thinking? Your concern should be you. You are responsible for your thoughts. Bhavesh, what have you understood? Speak louder.
Sir, we are being provided with the situation, and whatever we have, the core qualities within us, with the effect of those core qualities, the response comes out.
Yeah. Okay, chalo good. I'll give you another loop. This is loop number 1. This is loop number 1, which is a negative loop because this external situation, many times you have no control. But internally what is coming, this must be in your and must be in your control. So the second loop is called Samadhan Swarup. Samadhan matlab solution oriented thinking. In this what happens is the problem still remains the same. So the external input is same. But what comes from here is different. What comes from here is more stable, very well balanced thoughts. And this well thought after becomes the initial process. So that's a thought. This goes to the intellect. This is where the discrimination happens. This is where the evaluation happens. This is where the conflict resolution happens. This is where the decision making happens. This is where the judgment is taken. This is where the implementation strategy is done. So यहाँ पे सोचना इसका काम and समझना बुद्धि का काम. बोलते हैं ना सोच समझ कर करना. So मन सोचता है और बुद्धि समझता है. Here the entire process is in control. You are aware of what's happening within you. So the girl comes, she says, my father is sick. The manager understands it. The manager is considerate to her. वो पूछता है उसका welfare क्या हुआ क्या नहीं है. He understands the serious. He grants her the छुट्टी. He also asks her कि कोई मदद चाहिए तो बताना, किसी भी टाइप का हो तो. उसके बाद he deputes somebody for her job. ये लड़की अपने घर चली जाती है and she manages her affair rather than the manager himself going behind that girl. किसको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So in a particular situation, what is right and what is wrong, इसको करने के लिए you should develop your level of self-awareness. You're learning from the past experience. And this person who wrote, he has served in the Navy for 2.5 years. With that service experience, how can you write like this? And then your ability to imagine कि if the manager leaves the company and runs behind that girl for 3 days and goes and sleeps in the hospital, what will his own people say? साला उसका अपना marriage खराब हो जाएगा. What will the girl think about him? What will be the company people? What will be the father think? कुछ मतलब नहीं. He is taking out money. He is doing all stupid things. Next is voice of your inner conscious. अपनी चेतना की आवाज सुनते तो आपको ही पता चल जाता मैनेजर तू ये गलत कर रहा है इस लड़की के पीछे, तेरे को ऐसे जाना नहीं चाहिए. तो मदद के नाम से लोग इस मदद को गलत नजर से देखेंगे. क्या बोला? This behavior of yours is unacceptable. And then independent will. If it was independent will, you don't need a Ganesh Babu coaching wala sir to tell you कि your decisions are wrong. Today you are dependent on me. Because I tell you कि तो story में इसको काट दे, core quality hide कर दे. You are being fooled by Ganesh Babu. Because your own independent will is not working. How will you take decision? किसको समझ में आ रहा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अर्शदीप क्या समझ में आया?
That we have to respond to the situation. There are situation and there is behavior, our personality.
Yeah.
And according to that, we have to respond depending upon our values, ethics.
Absolutely. तो तुम्हारा value system में कैसे तुम्हारा ये clarity क्यों नहीं आया कि I cannot go behind this female even if I want to do it. I am a manager. I am a bloody 50-year-old man. My responsibility is towards the company. There is a problem, and if there was an emergency of urgency, heart attack or something, that's a different thing. The girl has not sought your help. You are bloody doing it by your own. Company छोड़ के चल पड़ा 3 दिन के लिए. कितना समझ में आ रहा है? So this is the thinking faculty. This is the thinking faculty, and this is the decision making faculty. तो आप अपने decision making faculty को किसी coaching के पर गिरवी मत रखो, including me. Otherwise, you will never know the implication of your decisions because you are dependent on me. As a leader, if you take decision, you should also have the courage to accept the consequences. But that will only happen when you exercise this freedom of choice with little more care. Between the stimulus and your response, you have the freedom of choice. इस freedom of choice को ठीक करो. इसे साला किसी के ऊपर गिरवी मत रखो. So this is the thinking faculty. Decision यहाँ पे लिया. कैसे decision लिया? हमारा जो problem solving steps बताया. Systems approach to problem solving, cause effect relationship, है ना, inside out approach. ये सब लगा के जब 7 steps to problem solving, ये सब करने के बाद this decision influences your behavior. So when your thoughts are correct, your behavior becomes more sakaratmak behavior. So your behavior is a function of your personality interacting with the given environment. और हमने पिछले वीडियो में देखा कि आपका पर्सनालिटी की शुरुआत है, वॉट एवर इज द पैरामीटर, वो आपके सोच को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. यस नो?
Yes, sir.
So this behavior will get added into the situation. And ये situation कितना भी complicated है, what will happen? Gradually, this will change. Now look at the responses we discussed yesterday. The boss and the manager, there was a misunderstanding, but that subordinate जो बुड्ढा बंदा था, उसकी सोच क्या थी? Stable, well thought after. So he ran a loop which resulted the boss and the subordinate becoming perfectly fine, and the trust between them increased. कितना समझ में आया? Look at the second response. There was again some delay by the subordinate. Boss gets furious. She goes and shout. She observes something. And another loop comes. And the problem, not only the problem at hand was solved, something else was also solved which was affecting him. कितना समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अरे बोलो यार.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The third story, the girl comes and shouts because she had some misunderstanding. And the boss decides to remain silent, even though he could have shouted back because he's the boss. But he chose not to do that. So his boss ka behavior is a function of his personality interacting with the given environment. Lekin who is creating the boss? You. So boss ka behavior in TAT is actually a reflection of your behavior. तो तुम ठीक हो जाओ, बॉस ठीक हो जाएगा. TAT ठीक करने से तुम ठीक नहीं होगा, तुम ठीक होने से TAT ठीक हो जाएगा. So there are two loops. कितना समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
picture is not the problem. TAT का picture is not the problem. The problem is the way you're perceiving it. And there are a lot of distortions. हमें उन distortions को identify करके निकालना है. And many of the distortions are paid distortion. You pay to get distorted. That's why coaching is dangerous if it is not process oriented but target oriented. I don't know कितनों को समझ में मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Before we take further, I want a feedback. कौन बोलेगा? जिसने अभी तक नहीं बोला वो बोलो.
Sir,
हाँ.
whatever the situation, we have.
Video on करो.
Okay, sir. Whatever the situation, we have to think which is socially, morally, ethically acceptable. Which
Yes. Yes.
yeah.
एक सेकंड बच्चे. इसने जो वर्ड बोला उसको लिखते हैं. हमारे डिसीजन सोशली, मॉरली, एथिकली, इमोशनली करेक्ट होना चाहिए. इंटेलेक्चुअली करेक्ट होना चाहिए. और वो करेक्ट तभी होगा जब तुम्हारा साला खुद का वैल्यू सिस्टम, बिलीफ सिस्टम, एटीट्यूड, नीड, मोटिव सब में बैलेंस होगा. तुम खुद ही ग्रीड में हो कि बस एसएसबी को बेवकूफ बना के क्रैक करना है, तो तुम टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स ही सीखते रह जाते हो. You don't have to learn tips and tricks. You have to learn problem solving skills. You have to understand your own self. Don't learn tips and tricks. साला किसी वीडियो का नाम लिख दो टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स, तुम सब भागते हो उधर. लड़की ने देखो, ये लड़की का इसका पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन कमजोर है, लेकिन इतनी बात सटीक बोलती है. साला अगर इसको थोड़ा सा इसको इंप्रूव कर दिया, इसको कौन रोकेगा? सच है, बड़ी जोश टाइप लड़की. व्हाट अ क्लैरिटी यार. साले टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स रोक बांध दो. 10 क्वेश्चन दैट विल फॉक्स योर इंटरव्यू, यही सीखते रह जाते हो. अब एसएसबी को क्लियर करना वो और भी आसान. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग यार? बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. या बोलो कीर्ति. गुड.
और सर लाइक सिचुएशन को प्रैक्टिकली सोचना है, ना कि इमेजिनेशन में घुस के जस्ट वी हैव टू राइट इट.
नो, इमेजिनेशन में घुसना है, फैंटेसी में नहीं घुसना है. इमेजिनेशन तो चाहिए ना, बिकॉज विदाउट इमेजिनेशन हाउ विल यू डू क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग? हाउ विल यू?
It must not be false imagination. It is directly related to that which is not acceptable by the society.
Absolutely. देखो तुम्हारी बात को मैं, वो जो रीजनिंग एबिलिटी के डेफिनेशन को अगर पढ़ोगे, उसमें लिखा है, it is the ability to grasp the essentials well and to arrive at conclusion by rational thinking. तो कंक्लूजन पे आना मतलब इमेजिनेशन तो करना है, बट कैसे?
That must be practical.
रैशनल रियलिटी के ऊपर बेस्ड. तुम्हारा रैशनल थिंकिंग नहीं है यार. परेशान हो जाता हूँ साला तुम लोग की स्टोरियां सोच के, तुम्हारी सोच को देख के। तुम स्टोरियां ठीक कर रहे हो, सोच को ठीक करो। या बोलो आगे।
सब वही खुद को जानना, तभी होगा सब कुछ।
तुम्हारा एसडी देखो कैसे भयंकर लिख के दिए मुझे यार। साला एसडी को देखो तो सबको सेलेक्ट करने का मन करता है, टीएटी देखो एक को नहीं करने का मन करता है। How can there be so much of variation? Yeah, I want somebody else to speak.
Sir, whatever we thought in our mind, sir, we have to analyze in 4 domains, sir. Physical, intellectual, and value, and sir, emotional. Sir, we have to analyze in 4 domain, and first of all, we have to understand that whatever we are thinking, it is fit in all the 3 domains, and we have to correct our inner thoughts. If our inner thoughts will be correct, our outer response will be
बिल्कुल।
correct.
इस टेस्ट का नाम ही मानसा है यार।
Yes, sir.
इस टेस्ट का नाम ही मानसा है, मतलब आप सोचते कैसे हो। तो प्लीज आप अपने सोच के बारे में सोचो। हम करेंगे, that module is called metacognition. We do that module.
We should be our SRT and our thoughts.
अभी मतलब आप कल का स्टोरी देखो यार, कैसा बंदा बोलता सर मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्या लिखा, आप बताओगे। मैं क्यों बताऊं भैया, तुमने लिखा है। मैं तो सवाल पूछ, मुझे आपका काम है मुझे क्लैरिटी देना। बच्चे थोड़ा ना स्पून फीडिंग थोड़ा ना करना यार, कोर क्वालिटी हाइड कर दो। नो, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। अरे यार क्लियरेंस देखो यार 3.6% है, तो उस 3.6 के लेवल पे सोचो ना। साला बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी लिखते हो।
सब
चलो आगे देखते हैं। यहां तक समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Let's move further to Karna.